Hello everyone, welcome to the official Loud Games Dev Talk series where I talk about many upcoming games that will be potentially uploaded onto the Loud Games website. Now I used to do this back on the official Loud Games YouTube channel, however not many people know about that channel, so I'm going to do it on this channel, which is my main channel, and it's the channel where I upload the most frequently. So in this first episode, I'm just going to give you a short demo of this simple 2D platformer I've made. Now this will be very basic, and the reason why is because this is kind of my first attempt at a 2D platformer. I've done many different 3D platformers in the past, however I haven't really attempted at many 2D platformers or 2D games in general. So this is a kind of challenge for me. So why don't we give this a short play? So here we have this derpy looking character right here who can move around, jump and react with slopes fairly realistically. We have this grassy level right here, a nice blue sky and a picture of me for some reason. I don't know why I put that in there, but I just did. But if we walk into that picture, it will load this scene which displays the message, "You win." Now of course that was just very basic. However, in the near future, it will be a fully fledged, high quality game that hopefully people will enjoy. So now I'm going to talk about how I'm going to lay out the many different scenes that will build up this game and the project layout. So to make up this ground level right here, I used a tile set. And if you don't know what a tile set is, it's pretty much in the name, a set of tiles. So it's just many different squares that build up to make a level. And here we have, this is our player with many different components on it. This is our background, and we have the finish right here, the picture of me, and you can see this all in the inspector right here. We have the main camera to render everything, and here we have the borders. So you can see these two tinted green borders right here, and the reason why I put them there is to prevent the player from escaping the level. If I, let's say, disable them too, the player can just walk off, which is obviously not what we want. So yeah, that's why I put them there. So all these tiles are stored in this tile folder right here. Now I didn't actually make these tiles myself. I actually got this from an asset off the asset store, which you can download for free. We have the Text Mesh Pro folder, which is what I use to generate the "You Win" text display. The Sprites folder is where I keep the player and the picture of me. The Scripts folder is what allows the player to do lots of things. So the character controller script is what sets up all the components for the player. And the player movement script is what actually makes the player move. And the interaction script is basically whenever we collide with the finish right here, or the picture of me, it will load the next scene. And talking about scenes, here are the different scenes. So we have the main scene, which is the sample scene, and the win scene, which is where we have our "You Win" text. Let's just go back into our main scene, like so. Now this folder is the assets I use to create the tiles right here, the free platform game assets which you can download off the asset store. Now this background is stored in the backgrounds folder, and this animation folder right here is basically what allows this picture to bob up and down. As you can see, there we go, it can bob up and down, and these are the keyframes for it, which you can see in game, and it just loops over and over again. And so yeah, this is just kind of the project layout I'm going to use for the next upcoming episodes. So stay tuned for the next episode. Hopefully this game will be a lot more robust then. So yeah, I'll see you then. So goodbye.